morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caitlin and welcome back to another vlog. Today is the start of the vlog that I've been so excited for so long now. Ignore my red nose, I've got a scratch. Today is the day before Arlo's second birthday party. So today is my day full of prep, and then tomorrow morning it all begins, the birthday excitement. His actual birthday isn't until mid next week, but because of getting the family together and everything to celebrate, we're doing it tomorrow and I couldn't be more excited. So the plan for today, I'm just sorting the dishwasher out so I can get a little bit of cleanliness going. Yes, the plan for today is I'm just doing the dishwasher and cooking breakfast for everyone. Then Dave's going to head off to work and me, Arlo and Mum are going to nip to do the food shop for the party. Get all the party food. We're not doing loads of like food, we're just literally getting like party snacks and stuff. And then when we come back, it's going to be tidying, and I am going to spend probably the vast majority of this afternoon creating all of the displays that I've got set ready for his party. So like the balloon arches, I've got balloon columns, just get as much done as I can today, just to make tomorrow a little bit more calmer for me, so that I can actually like be present and enjoy being with Arlo and Dave, as opposed to running around trying to set everything up. Last year, all of the decorations for Arlo were a complete surprise. Obviously, he was one and we could just set everything up while he was napping and bring him down, and it was a complete surprise. But he's older now, he's so much more aware, and there is just no way I'm going to be able to hide it all from him. So I have no doubt that he will be helping me today put everything together, really. So his birthday party theme tomorrow is Too Fast. So obviously for the most car obsessed type, I had to go for the car themed birthday party. I've got a whole bunch of decorations which I'll show you at some point that I ordered from Shein last month, I think. I did a huge Shein order last year for his very first birthday party, and honestly, me and Mum since that day have been so converted to just buying party decorations from Shein. There's such good value and you get so many options. But then aside from that party of his in the afternoon, me and Dave have also got ourselves prepared ready for like a little mini celebration with him in the morning, just the three of us. So we've got some decorations that have nothing to do with his Too Fast theme, and it's just basically I've collated some little decorations of all of his favourite like characters at the minute. So like I've got a whole pack of very heavily focused Paw Patrol decorations, and then I've also got some Spider-Man and some Pikachu dotted in there as well, just some of his favourite bits. And what we're going to do is, after we've had breakfast downstairs, we're going to bring him upstairs to our bedroom and have a little mini set up there ready for him with all these mini little decorations and his presents from us, so that we can just kind of celebrate as a trio before the whole family comes. In terms of those decorations, there's not too much to do there because, like I said, it is like just like a mini-ish pack of decorations. There's a banner, some balloons, there's a mixture of just like normal balloons that you blow up and some foil ones. So I think the plan is to do those ones literally last minute tonight once Arlo's asleep and Dave gets home from work. Just blow them all up so that when they're eating breakfast tomorrow morning, I can nip upstairs and just set them up on his bed and make them look all nice. Organisationally, it's a bit of a challenge, but we're just trying to make it as like magical for him as possible. And honestly, the vast majority of his decorations do consist of balloons because the boy is balloon crazy. If you watched my last vlog, you'll have seen that he went absolutely crazy for a giant spider balloon from the Halloween section that I found in town. His favourite thing, honestly. So yeah, balloon mad. And he's already so much more aware this year. So every time we've been in a toy shop recently and he's seen something he's liked, he'll point at it and he'll say birthday, birthday. Because he's saying to me like he'll put it on his birthday list, that's what he wants for his birthday, which has been super helpful, to be honest with you, buying his presents. So yes, first step today is the food shop. I was going to write a whole list and everything of things that I wanted to get. But to be honest with you, because we're not actually properly cooking, just thought I'd go in and have a look in their bakery section. I know which birthday cake we want to get, and we want to try and get the like big Lightning McQueen cake. I'm just going to have a look around, see what people like. My family is so easy when it comes to like food. no one's expecting anything big. I'm gonna see if I can take advantage of all of the like Christmas and Halloweeny snacks that are coming out as well, because obviously I'll just have them out on the table, which is just the easiest way for my family. Just like people can just pick and have little snacks. Right, first things first, Dave's lunch. I may have a sneaky peek as well, depending on how busy Asda is, at the clothes section for Arlo. I'm constantly on the Asda George app, looking at the toddler clothes, because ever since I was pregnant, their clothes have honestly probably been my favourite. He's had the most clothes from Asda, but sizes are always sold out super quickly on like the new in styles. So depending on how busy it is, I may try my luck and have a look in there just to see if I can find anything. I have seen a Christmas sweatshirt for Arlo on their new in section. I'll insert a photo of it here, but it was literally £5. And I think last time I checked, it might be back in stock now, but last time I checked, they didn't have his size in stock on their website. So I might just go and see if I can find it. But it's just one of those bargains. It's literally £5. I think they do a lot of their like special offer, best value clothing items, which is obviously fantastic. And I need to have a quick look at some pajamas for him, because the boy is growing so quickly. He is in 3 to 4 years in most places because of his length. I don't know if anyone else is like this with their toddlers. I actually love how like baggy clothes look on him. I just think he looks so much cuter when he's like an oversized jumper on him. So yes, I will finish making breakfast and then I'll update you guys in a little bit with something a little bit more birthday preppy. Arlo has just had his bath and now he's playing with some puzzles while he dries off a little bit before we go out. So I've got his outfit ready. He's going to wear his new Primark Mickey Mouse jumper that he picked yesterday. I think I said in the last vlog when I showed it that it's not my typical style of clothes that I pick for him, but when he saw it in the shop, he's in a major Mickey Mouse phase. He fell in love with it. So he's going to wear that, some grey baggy kind of cargo trouser things. I like joggers. And that's going to be our shopping outfit. I have no idea. Actually, top, yeah. I need to figure out what I'm going to wear. We are now certain we've gotten way too distracted in the Christmas hour. Right, guys, so we are back from Asda. I didn't show a lot, it was so chaotic in there, and I was literally just, because I had no list, I was literally just picking things up and throwing them in. But it is a white car, you're right. I've made a bit of progress with the balloons and things. I've just been blowing them up while my family have been here helping me because of watching Arlo and stuff. So I've blown up a lot of these foil ones. Let me show you some of them. So we've got a lot of these, ignore the mess. There's a digger back there. You've got the race car, haven't you? These are the more sort of decorative ones. And then in the bathroom already, stay there, okay? In the bathroom, I made some progress on one of the balloon displays. Obviously, I will try and show you better tomorrow. Sorry for the toilet view, but yeah, it's not finished, but it's there, safe and sound until tomorrow. I am taking a bit, whoa, this way. I'm taking a bit of a break purely because my mouth is cramping around here where I've been blowing on the straw. And it didn't take long for me to whip out the balloon blowing up machine thing because the balloons were just too stiff. So yes, going to drink my Starbucks now, just take a brief break before continuing. It's like 7:30 now. Arlo is down for his nap. No, he's down for sleep. And I just thought I'd show you the current situation in the hallway. No, in the downstairs bathroom. I'm so tired, can you tell? Balloon arch is complete. morning everyone. It is Saturday morning and it's the morning of the party. I'm just downstairs cleaning up a little bit, ready to cook some breakfast. The boys are coming down in a second because while they eat their breakfast down here, I'm going to set up the room ready to give Arlo all his presents. I'm so excited. I was up so late last night blowing up balloons. I've literally just brought everything down. Ignore the bed, I need to make it still, but I'm going to start setting everything up now. So excited, the boys are eating. These banners are always so fiddly. Asda. I need to put this little party hat on George. I will show you in a minute, but I'm running out of space to put all the balloons. That's a good idea. Oh my god, I think we're done. Oh, he's not gonna know what to do with himself. And now I'm just gonna set one of these up on the door. I got a 2-pack. One of them I'm gonna use for the party later, so I'm gonna hang it over our door. Good morning everyone, it is Sunday. I obviously didn't get loads filmed yesterday because honestly we were just enjoying the day in the moment, trying to be there. Plus it was obviously just like a room filled with all my family and everything, so I didn't just want to like post them all online. Honestly, Arlo had such an amazing day. Obviously I do have to do quite a bit of cleanup today, but no, it was amazing. We had such a fun time. He's been playing with his presents all morning, so I'll bring you guys along with me today so you can see some of the new bits that he got. Oh my goodness, honestly, he was just so happy all day. I am definitely very, very tired today. I'm sure you guys, if any of you have hosted at any point, it's just a very like tiring, draining experience because obviously there's all the prep work, like all the tidying and everything and organising and buying things, make sure everything runs smoothly. And I'm glad I did do everything yesterday pretty far in advance so that I could actually just kind of enjoy myself while everyone was here. And then obviously the tidy up as well. So Dave's at work today. He is off tomorrow because obviously I have uni tomorrow, and he's also off Tuesday for uni, and then Wednesday is Arlo's actual birthday, so we're planning on going out on like a little day trip. But in terms of today, it's going to be a very, very chilled day with Arlo, and we're gonna just probably play with all his new presents because it was so chaotic that I think we all just need to recover a little bit. Just put a jumper on because it's absolutely freezing. I feel like winter this year has come in full force. Like we had such a hot summer down here anyway. We had so much heat for months, and now it's gotten like cold. It's proper wintry cold. I'm loving it. I'm such a winter baby. I'm also actually really impressed with myself and my balloon decoration improvements from last year. I definitely like learned a few tricks last year because both last year and kind of this year to an extent I did everything like blind. I just made balloon arches decorations just with no like direction. This year the decorations have really stood their ground. Like they are so solid back there, and that's had a toddler climbing off of it, people moving around it, knocking it. Still so solid, so I'm going to be a little bit sad when I have to pop that. One of my favourite things about hosting birthday parties is that there's always cake left over. We got a selection of cakes for everyone because obviously we chose one for Arlo specifically, like the Paw Patrol one that we knew he'd like, because we couldn't get our hands on the like McQueen one. And then we knew that obviously not everyone likes that kind of cake, so we did have a few other options. They did have decorations on them, but they're obviously now been pulled apart a bit. so ignore the mess. This one here is just like a double chocolate one with some of the decorations left in it, which obviously that was attacked. And then this one hasn't even been touched yet. I'm so excited to eat this one. This is going to be so nice. This has got Galaxy chocolate, Maltesers and M&Ms in it. The reason that they haven't been touched as much as we thought is because my auntie surprised us when she came with her homemade cheesecake, which is literally everyone's favourite. No idea she was bringing it, and I was like, it's our favourite. So we did obviously tuck into that as well. And days like yesterday just make me so genuinely grateful and appreciative that we are lucky enough to have such an amazing village supporting us down here. Everyone made such a big fuss for Arlo's birthday, even though it was his only second birthday. You know, arguably a lot of people might think like, oh, you won't really remember it, you don't have to make a fuss, but it means so much that everyone really went above and beyond to make him feel special, and he definitely did feel very special. Also, when we took Arlo up to bed last night, the door went at about like 7 p.m. I think, and I had a delivery of a very, very exciting parcel from Bubble, which Bubble Skincare, if you guys didn't know, I'm an ambassador for. I typically post videos about my favourite products over on TikTok, and I usually do have a discount code, so it's worth going and checking those out if you are interested in trying Bubble. But they sent me the loveliest PR package last night, so I will show you guys when I'm upstairs, because honestly it's just beautiful. Like, I don't have to make this video, like show it in this video, but it was just too beautiful not to share. Where are we going? Oh my goodness, you guys, I have not vlogged like anything today. I apologise. It's been a really weird, chaotic day. I think everyone's just tired after the birthday chaos. But we've literally just been downstairs playing with all of Arlo's toys and things. I've been gradually bringing up all of his presents up to here. So this room is just a mess because there's just all of his new bits everywhere. But I'm going to gradually get it done. I just thought I'd show you very quickly. I'm not going to fully unbox it, but I just thought I'd show you my little Bubble parcel, which I was so excited for when I got the email. So I don't really have to make this video or anything. I'm going to do a full, proper in-depth unboxing, like opening the products over on my TikToks. Go and check that out if you haven't already. But I just love their packaging. So Bubble have announced that they are releasing some holiday gift sets, which is so amazing. If you want to get anyone a little skincare gift, they're really good prices. I've been checking them out online. So there's just a little rundown of everything. They're all between £10 and £30, and there's a good mixture of things in each of the sets. So if you want to try something new or you want to repurchase an old favourite, like I know the winter warm-up set does have a lot of people's favourite products in there, but the one they sent me was actually the Frosty Faces set, so I'll show you that now quickly. So I'm not going to fully unbox it because I'm going to save it for my TikTok, but there's 3 boxes here, as you can see. There we go. And inside, they're all Christmassy packaged, which is so lovely. But then inside you get 3 products, which is amazing. So this is the Frosty Faces Tone and Twinkle set. You get the Slam Dunk Moisturiser, the Bubble Water Slide Hydrating Boosting Serum, and then the Daydream Tone and Texture Serum, which I haven't tried either of the serums yet. So I'm very excited to try those. And then the moisturisers. Both of their moisturisers that I've tried are just cult favourites of mine now. I absolutely love them. So I'm very excited, and I just think this is such a lovely little gift to give someone if you want to add it to like their stocking or something. So I'm very excited about that. It's currently the evening time now. We are having some chill time upstairs. We've been reading these books. So my nan got Arlo 3 of these books, the Julia Donaldson ones. This is Fox's Socks, got Postman Bear, and then there's a 3rd one which Arlo is currently playing with, and they're like lift flat books.
Flat book.
Yeah. I'm actually going to end this vlog here. It definitely wasn't as long as I'd planned, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway, coming along on this whole birthday prep journey with me. I'm going to start a brand new vlog tomorrow. Obviously, we're back to the normal uni week on Monday and Tuesday, and then in that vlog there'll also hopefully be some vlog footage from Arlo's actual birthday on Wednesday, when we are planning on going on a nice little day trip. So yes, look forward to seeing that very, very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very soon for another vlog. Bye.